Ever been miles from civilization, watching your phone battery tick down to zero? What if you could carry an unlimited power source right in your backpack? It's not science fiction, it's today's reality, and we're about to find the perfect one for you. We're counting down the best portable solar panels for backpacking, and we're starting from the bottom up. All the links are in the description so you can check them out for yourself. Let's get powered up. 8. SunJack 15-watt foldable solar panel. Kicking off our list at number 8 is the SunJack 15-watt foldable solar panel. Think of this as the rugged workhorse of the group. Its standout feature is durability. It's coated in tough ETFE material and has an IP67 waterproof rating, meaning it can literally take a dunk in a creek and keep on ticking. This level of protection makes it virtually indestructible against rain, dust, and adverse conditions. It's super user-friendly, folding up with a slick magnetic closure, and even has a mesh pocket to keep your phone cool while it charges. The integrated Smart IC chip ensures stable, regulated charging for your devices, protecting them from power spikes. The trade-off for all that toughness? At 15 watts, it's not the fastest charger here, especially when you compare it to some higher wattage panels coming up. But if your top priority is a panel that can survive absolutely anything you throw at it, the SunJack is a seriously dependable choice. 7. WASI-10W Portable Solar Panel. Coming in at number 7, we have the WASI-10W Portable Solar Panel, and this one is all about value for the minimalist backpacker. For a super budget-friendly price, you get premium features like that durable ETFE coating we saw on the SunJack, plus a handy IP65 splash-proof rating. This rating means it can easily handle a sudden downpour or stream crossings without issue. Now let's be real, the 10-watt rating is optimistic, and you'll mostly use this to trickle charge a power bank throughout the day, rather than directly charging a phone quickly. But what's awesome is its design. It's incredibly lightweight, weighs less than a pound, clips easily onto your pack, and has a huge zippered pouch to store your phone and cables. The built-in voltmeter is a nice touch, giving you real-time feedback on its charging performance. While it's not a power beast, it's an amazing entry-level option if you're just looking for a little extra juice without breaking the bank. 6. Marlboro 30W Solar Charger. All right, moving up to number 6, we're leveling up in power with the Marlboro 30W Solar Charger. If the last two panels were for topping off your phone, this one is for powering your whole adventure. With 30 watts of potential power, it's designed to charge phones, tablets, and even small power stations much faster. This power is supported by high-conversion monocrystalline cells, which are highly efficient even in slightly overcast conditions. What really sets it apart is its insane versatility. It has quick charge, USB-A, USB-C, and a DC port with 10 different adapters included, making it compatible with almost any battery pack or power station on the market. Compared to the smaller panels, this is a huge step up in capability. It's a bit bulkier and heavier than a true minimalist panel, so it's probably better for car camping or base camp setups than ultralight trekking. But for the price, the power and flexibility you get are almost unbeatable. 5. Renogy 200-watt portable solar panel. At number 5, we're taking a massive leap with the Renogy 200-watt solar blanket. Okay, let's be clear. This is not for your average backpacker. This is for the serious off-grid adventurer with an RV, van, or a massive power station to charge. Its blanket design is genius, packing a huge 200 watts of high-efficiency power into a package that's shockingly lightweight and portable for its output. Folding down to the size of a large laptop, you just unfold it across your windshield or on the ground. It uses high-end monocrystalline cells, giving it excellent low-light performance compared to most portable kits. It doesn't have kickstands like some competitors, but it's way more compact and affordable. Included is a 20A MPPT charge controller that maximizes power transfer, which is a premium feature. If you need to generate serious, reliable power for big batteries and prioritize portability over everything, this Renogy blanket is in a class of its own. 3. Bitnovol 30W Portable Solar Panels. Taking the number 3 spot is the Bitnovol 30W portable solar panels. And this thing is a dark horse that is packed with features. Honestly, it's almost a twin of the Marlboro we saw earlier, and that's a good thing. It boasts a high efficiency rating of up to 26%, a durable ETFE coating that boosts light transmittance, and the same fantastic trio of outputs: quick charge, USB-E, USB-C, and a DC port with 10 connectors. This makes it an incredibly versatile, all-in-one solution for charging pretty much anything you can carry, including small 12-volt batteries. The inclusion of built-in adjustable kickstands is a crucial design element, allowing you to quickly angle the panel perfectly toward the sun for maximum power output, a feature often missing on budget panels. For its price, the sheer amount of compatibility and power potential you get is outstanding, making it a powerful contender for the best overall value on this list. 2. FlexSolar 60W portable solar panels. Cracking our top 2 is the FlexSolar 60W. And this is the panel for those who refuse to compromise on power. With a massive 60-watt output, this beast can charge laptops, large power banks, and small power stations with ease, thanks to its high-power PD USB-C, quick charge USB-A, and DC outputs. It even has an Anderson port for direct connection to high-end power stations, but the real showstopper is its IP67 waterproof rating. Like the Sunjack, it can handle a full dip in the water and is completely dust-tight, which is amazing for a panel this powerful and flexible. While it's certainly heavier and better suited for a base camp than a long-distance hike, it offers way more power and better weatherproofing than premium competitors for a fraction of the cost. The high conversion efficiency coupled with the durability makes this an ideal choice for emergency preparedness kits. If you need serious, reliable power in any weather, the FlexSolar is an absolute powerhouse. 1. Jackery SolarSaga 40W mini solar panel. And at our number 1 spot, we have the Jackery SolarSaga 40W mini. This panel is a masterpiece of design for the true backpacker. It is unbelievably lightweight, weighing just 3 pounds, making it perfect for those counting every ounce. But its ultimate feature is the best-in-class IP68 waterproof rating. It's completely immune to dust and can be fully submerged in water for extended periods. No other panel on this list offers that level of peace of mind. This is thanks to its advanced lamination technology. Now, the real-world output is closer to 15-25 watts, not 40, and it carries a premium price. But you're not just paying for watts. You're paying for unrivaled portability and bomb-proof durability from a top-tier brand known for their excellent support. For the adventurer who demands the lightest, toughest panel possible, the Jackery SolarSaga Mini is the undisputed champion. So after looking at all these incredible options, which one is the absolute best for backpacking? Well, the Jackery is the king of durability and the FlexSolar is the king of power. For the best overall balance of power, portability, and incredible value, my winner is the Bitnovol 30 portable solar panel. It hits that perfect sweet spot. It's light enough for most hikers, powerful enough to charge multiple devices, and its unmatched versatility with all the included DC connectors means it's ready for any situation, all at a price that's impossible to ignore. It's the multi-tool of solar panels. What do you think? Which panel would you choose for your next adventure? Let me know your pick in the comments below. And that's a wrap. I hope this guide helps you stay charged on your next trip off the grid. If you found this video helpful, do me a huge favor and hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss our next video. All the links are in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.